kapag ang society natin disiplinado, so I think everybody follows, no? Because it's the whole system. Hindi pwede yung disiplinado lang military or must have some sort of a discipline. No? Hindi naman natin sinasabi na all of this will be like a military discipline type, no? Even for civilians. If you look at kung ano yung mga trainings that are available, no? On a nationwide scale, ROTC talaga. This is really, the best way to introduce training of our citizens to be able to handle even the basics of defending, fighting back. Even the curriculum ng ROTC will have to accommodate all these new things, new knowledge or information. Assuming that the K-12 program will be fully implemented, we'll have to subscribe to that. Kasi yung mga kabataan na hindi na magkukolehiyo, di ba? Papasok sila ng trabaho or they just pursue yung pag-aaral to develop their own skills, no? Hindi na yung academic. Ang kailangan mawala yung atmosphere of impunity, na wala tayong paniwala na pagka nagkasala tayo, walang kaparusahan. Kaya nagkakaroon ng climate of impunity because people believe that when they do things wrong, walang mangyayari, walang lesson learned. Diba? Ako, as a former law enforcer and now as a lawmaker, ang gusto ko na ang batas na ginagawa ng Kongreso ay masusunod. Diba? Mapapatupad ito ng mga alagad ng batas, diba? Or those in government, especially sa executive branch, because they're the ones enforcing or executing our laws. No? So, pero pag nakita mo sila mismo ang gumagawa ng kalokohan, so mawawala yung aral, no? Because they serve as the model, pero hindi naman nila ginagawa yung gusto nating gawin. Enforcement of the law without fear or favor should be the order of the day. Because when people see that even if you're in government, you're rich, you're powerful, but you're the same in the eyes of the law, same treatment, magandang aral yan, di ba? Nung mga kabataan pa sila, I subscribe to the biblical principle that if you will spare the rod, you will spoil the child. No? But hindi yan yung talagang you can do it naman without hurting, di ba? You just make him or her feel, that whenever they commit a mistake, diba, kinakailangan may pangaral. So, something that will remind them, and then of course, kung ano yung nagawa nilang kasalanan, diba? Explain mo sa kanila. Ganun ang ginagawa. And then, of course, yung mga maliit sila, but when they grew up na, wala na yung gano'n. Kasi, sabi nga ng Bible, teach a child in the way he should go. When he grows up, he will not depart from it. So it's really very important that these things should be inculcated in the minds of young people. Okay? Pag sinimulan mo ng bata, pag sa daladala nila yan.